Now to fix your broken nail, we're going to use a larger bead. So the nail's going to be about a 3, no, maybe a 4, out to a 4. So your bead is going to be almost to a 4. It doesn't have to be that big because you do have product still left on the nail bed. So the way you measure is your bead should be about as long as the free edge that you want. Okay. And you scoop it. Again, place it at the cuticle area, the rounded edge at the cuticle. Moisten your brush, pat it down, get the cuticle first. Don't worry about the rest of the nail. Get the cuticle exactly how you like it, and don't get it too flat on that nail bed. So I'm angling my brush like a pencil. Now I go from side to side, from side to side. Make sure you go all the way over to the other side, from nail groove to nail groove. Then you can start pulling it out, patting, pulling it out, patting. Make sure you go from side to side. Start getting your shape. Check your curve, check your shape, make sure it's the right length. Good. The great thing about Sculpt, it's not dry until you cure it. Now I'm going to create the C curve. I will be doing a quick cure for 10 to 15 seconds in an LED or 20 to 30 seconds in a UV.